Adobe Express template migration from libraries to projects. Adobe is improving how templates work in Adobe Express. To take advantage of these updates, templates will move from brands and libraries into projects. Moving templates to projects offers several benefits: a faster performance and smoother editing, ability to re-edit templates, easier organization within projects, linking templates to multiple brands, improved template previews, option to share individual templates with collaborators. All Express templates created by the Pangea department that are currently in brands and libraries will be moved at once. No action is needed. After the migration date is announced, go to your stuff. Choose projects to access them. All Adobe Express templates will be stored in one shared folder called RFVRL templates with two subfolders: cards for social media cards, profiles for social media profile images. These replace previous libraries like RFVRL Armenian, RFVRL Bulgarian, RFVRL Georgian, RFVRL left to right, RFVRL right to left, and all language-specific profile libraries. Other libraries for special projects, podcasts, or HR, created by Pangea, will also move to project folders. Your existing access will transfer automatically. If you had access to a library, you'll see the corresponding project folder. Square templates were removed from the project folders as the current recommended aspect ratio for most social media platforms is 4:5, which is better optimized for vertical scrolling on mobile devices. To use a template, open the folder, browse with the slider, or View All button. Choose the design and click Use Template. Rename your file and save it to your own or team's project folder. Each language group has its own brand linked to the RFVRL templates project. These include watermark logos in all color variants, brand colors and fonts, gradient layer, typography icons, social media icons in flame, teal, and brand colors. You can open and use the brand folder while creating social media cards or profile images. If you've created your own brands or libraries, move your templates by February 28, 2026. After that date, they will no longer be accessible in Adobe Express. Adobe Photoshop templates will remain in their current location using Photoshop libraries. Motion graphics templates migration from local storage to libraries. The new workflow for motion graphics templates is simple and very straightforward. When you open Premiere Pro, you no longer need to import motion graphics templates through the Essential Graphics panel, as you did before. Instead, go to the Libraries panel on the right side of your screen and select the library that matches your video needs. Similar to Express templates, there are 5 main motion graphics templates libraries available. RFVRL left to right Mogurts for Latin and Cyrillic languages. RFVRL right to left Mogurts. RFVRL Bulgarian Mogurts. RFVRL Georgian Mogurts. And RFVRL Armenian Mogurts. For this demo, we'll open RFVRL left to right Mogurts. Inside the library, you'll find all available motion graphic templates. To use one, simply drag the template onto your timeline, the same way you previously used Mogurts from the Essential Graphics panel. An important note, the logic of Mogurts hasn't changed. These are the same templates you already know. You can still customize them with your own text and adapt them to different formats. For example, 4:5, 1:1, horizontal, or vertical video. You can reuse the same template as many times as you need. Any changes you make will apply only to your current project. You won't affect the original template in the library. Moving motion graphics templates into libraries brings several benefits. You'll get faster performance and a smoother editing experience, similar to Express templates. All templates are centrally stored and easier to find, so everyone works with the same, up-to-date versions. Updates to templates will be rolled out without manual re-importing, which saves time and reduces errors. Overall, this workflow makes working with graphics in Premiere Pro more reliable, faster, and easier to scale across teams.